AdSigma connecting advertisers with publishers. AdSigma Digital display advertising platform is the next generation of careful driving blockchain technology to revolutionize digital display advertising. G-Space. We aim to disrupt the existing digital advertising space and address significant problems it faces, such as the commission does not make sense, the lack of power and lack of negotiating options for publishers and advertisers. In an industry in which ad networks have an income of more than $200 billion, we recognize the need to provide alternative work platform supports advertisers and publishers with zero cost.
Every year, businesses spend more than $250 billion on digital ads to acquire new customers. Only 50 to 65% of that revenue is shared with the actual website owners, and the rest of that money goes in the pockets of big giants like Google or Facebook, resulting in low revenues for more than 15 million small to big websites or app owners, putting them at a big financial disadvantage. Using the blockchain technology combined with machine learning algorithms, AdSigma empowers website or app owners to sell their ad space directly to the advertisers with no fees. Our AI-powered ad-serving algorithms analyzes millions of website visitors or app users every second for the optimization of various data vectors, which allows us to render the most relevant ads, ultimately resulting in high revenue for publishers. For publishers, getting started with AdSigma is as quick as placing a JS tag or integrating SDK with an app or website followed by an immediate approval. For advertisers, AdSigma is a powerful yet easy-to-use platform with top-notch fraud detection algorithms and multiple targeting options such as location, gender, interest, behavior, and context, enabling them to reach millions of potential customers. Since the data is stored in a decentralized system, which is being maintained by all users, no one can manipulate or give privilege to any website or high-paying ads. All publishers can see how much the advertiser actually paid for the click or impression. All transactions are made using AdSigma Utility Token. Join the next generation of digital advertising and start monetizing your content without paying high commissions to third parties.
All ADSi token holders will experience quality service and will benefit from various perquisites holding our signs. We firmly believe in the idea and have confidence in our vision. With our team men, RS come from a variety of fields such as finance, software development, digital and advertising, blockchain cryptography. We have reached a competitive market position, and we've been on the road to turn our vision into reality. Our vision? We, at AdSigma, aims to restructure the existing settings in the business model by removing the need for intermediaries that exist in the form of an ad network, and help publishers and advertisers to get the best out of online advertising. We want to give benefits publishers and advertisers receive from ad networks, but without making them pay for it, and to let them enjoy the privileges of B2B models together. How to use blockchain technology will benefit. To achieve our goal, we will use the technology blockchain, which is one of the most valued technology lately. Blockchain is a distributed system of ledger that can efficiently record a transaction between two parties. Blockchain is best known for the quality of safety, AID, authenticity, irreversibility, the validity of characteristics marked for transactions. We can use this technology to fulfill our vision of establishing a direct contract between the advertiser and the publisher. While blockchain will ensure secure transactions between parties, We will make sure that ad agencies and make sure that the appropriate ads will be displayed on publisher properties. We will remove any ad content does not comply with the standard. Since the contract would go on blockchain and consideration will be cryptocurrency, i.e., ADSi token, there is a chance there are default of https://adsigma.io. Advertisers, and because there is evidence of legitimate transactions made between two parties, the publisher reserves the right to accept the ADSi token to display ads. With time, we will be able to expand to a wider audience, and we can ensure a better deal for both parties. Because we believe in the power of open source projects, we want to help this economy to operate on its own without intervention from ad networks and end up at zero commission fees. Therefore, the publisher will retain 100% of the ad revenue. Advertising costs will reduce the advertisers as well. Furthermore, they can evolve relationships and get into more contracts in the future. The publisher has the advantage of not only choose the ads that he wants to be shown but also choose the advertisers fit. Token AdSigma, ADSi. AdSigma token, ADSi, is a utility that can be used to buy digital display advertising across the web app properties, and publishers can monetize their applications using the web. It's an AdSigma platform, they get paid in ADSi token. This platform is based on the contract Smart Ethereum, which ensures secure transactions based on the parameters set by the participants, advertisers and publishers, themselves. Blockchain technology ensures that one entity alone cannot control the platform. This decentralized system to prevent the possibility of any manipulation of the vote. And ensure that no one can interfere with the transaction or the giving of preference or privilege to an advertiser or publisher over another. This network is verified and maintained by each party, and all the participants together. Fast-growing digital advertising market. Previously we mentioned the size and growth potential of the digital advertising market in the section labeled Bus. In this case we stated that digital ad revenue for Google and Facebook combined topped $100 billion in 2017 and further grow consistently. ADSi is based on growing digital advertising market, and the market will continue to grow in size, resulting in a surge in the value of the ADSi. ADSi's value will be based on the digital advertising market and the activities in the network. ADSi provides the potential to be one of the signs of the strongest in the virtual ecosystem Ethereum, because will not be affected by local and external regulatory factors in the global economy. Create value for advertisers and publishers. Businesses that help other businesses to grow the typical do in the market. Take the example of Uber, they help car drivers to earn a great income by connecting them to customers through their applications, and as a result the Uber founded the company $1 billion without actually have car. In the same way, if a publisher is also paid for their content creation, Y will have the financial freedom to make better quality content without worrying about the high costs of the network, and as a result, AdSigma will develop eventually. ADSi values those publishers have focus on the quality of their content, because they represent a community centered on the customer. Our network will change the mindset of the publisher who will now see the ad network-based block chain as a valuable asset that can generate a great income. Token distribution. The tokens are allocated in accordance with the long-term development goals of the AdSigma platform and the community. Open pre-sale and cloud sale. Pre-sale date, the 5th of April, 2018 at 10 UTC. Cloud sale date, the 20th of April, 2018 10 UTC. Total hard cap, 19,000 ETH equals 16 million ADSi. Soft cap, 15%. Pre-sale, 15 mil. On ADSi equals 4,000 ETH. During pre-sale, 1 ETH equals 3,750 ADSi. Token sale, 45 ml ADSi equals 15,000 ETH. 1 ETH equals 3,000 ADSi.